Welcome to Blackwater Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how to take care of the O2 inlet, which is just the solenoid pipe runs through the Delrin block there. So problem you may get over time is you might get some bits or some grains in there or some salt water build up. So it's really important to inspect this every time before you connect your rebreather up. I also blast the O2 hose before I connect it, so in case there's any moisture or debris inside the hose. Now there's a small metal gauze in there. To get that out can be quite tricky, so you want a sharp point O-ring pick. I'm just going to push down and rotate round sideways, and you see there that comes out quite easy. Now this might get a bit dirty over time, so you can put that in an ultrasonic cleaner if you want to. And then we want to have a look inside and make sure that's nice and clean. Now when you do this, I strongly recommend you doing this upside down, because the reason that gauze is there is to stop any bits going down into the solenoid itself. Anything in there, even a drop of water or the tiniest grain of sand or the tiniest little spot, can cause the solenoid to stick open, which, as you know, can be quite dangerous. So I can see a little bit of salt build up in there, so I'm going to turn it upside down. I'm going to use an O2 cleaning product, so I use Simple Green out here when I'm in Indonesia. There's different ones in Europe, and I've just sprayed some of that onto the edge of a Q-tip. But once again, we need to be very careful because we don't want to leave any fibers from the Q-tip in there. So I'm just going to put on its side. I'm going to wipe around on the inside. So I'm just going to turn it upside down for the rest of this. Okay. Yeah, that looks much better. It's always worth keeping this thread clean as well. Sometimes people really struggle with that 17mm connection. So if you're struggling, it generally means it needs cleaning. All the 17mm connections you should be able to put on and off by hand. Okay, so I've got my gauze back that's fresh out the ultrasonic. Small spray of Simple Green. Make sure it's O2 clean. Dab it dry, some tissue, and to put it back, it's quite straightforward. Just put like so. I take the rounded edge of an O-ring pick, just push it down evenly, and there you go, all done. Hope you found this helpful. Speak to you soon.